319, this is the top scoring horse and rider from the first round of competition. That's Mr. Bob Brawley and Argento, bringing forward the first round score of 91. It's 319, final horse and rider on course here in the handy round. Well, that's the way you do it right here in our National Hunter Derby. Bob Brawley and Argento get a base score of 86 points. 4 points for their high option fences jumped, 90 points in the handy round, and will indeed be our winner with 181 total points. That's Argento and Bob Brawley as our class win today.